So, good afternoon. We're here at the City Assessor of Manila. We discuss with you the process of getting your tax declaration. Now, dito ako ngayon second floor, the City Hall of Manila. Kung sa likod yung pasok mo, kaliwa, no? Yung akyat. So, go to this window. No, yung window nila is yung window number, ano ba yun? This is window, so this is Department of Assessment, no? Kagawaran ng pagtatasa. So you go here, window number 3, no, to get your PIN. First step is get your PIN, no? So window number 3, we're on the second floor. Yung PIN is tax identification number, so this is tax mapping division. Ang purpose ng PIN para ma-generate yung tax declaration. So after getting your PIN, no, personal property identification number, window 3, lalakad ka, you know, here, go here para to process yung request. So this is window number 5, no? Window number 5. So this is yung Department of Assessment. Window number 5 yan, no? Tapos after window number 5, magtatanong sa iyo kung how much yung how many copies yung kukunin. So after saying, like for me, sabi ko 2 copies, baba ka. No? You go to the ground floor, yung assessment, doon sa taxpayers lounge, no? Taxpayers lounge, may pila din doon. Tapos per copy of tax declaration, you pay 140 pesos. Balik ka dyan ngayon sa window 5. Pagbalik mo sa window 5, ibigay mo yung resibo mismo, yung OR, then wait ka sandali because tatawagin yung number. So these are persons na waiting, no, in this area. Magantay ka na tawagin, then magge-generate sila ng tax declaration. Yung tax declaration, certified copy yon, no? Again, per copy, certified copy, you have to pay 140 pesos. So inurasan ko yung sequence, no? Yung sequence ng from getting the PIN, requesting yung assessment, from window 3 to window 5 up to yung payment. Medyo mabilis, no? Impressive. It took us mga siguro 10 to 15 minutes. No, nabigla ako kasi medyo computerized, kasi before ang haba ng pila. Now isang tao lang can generate yung necessary information. Again, summarize natin for those getting yung tax declaration or their property identification number here in the City of Manila. First step, akit ka sa second floor, go to this Department of Assessment or City Assessor, go to window 3, get your personal identification number. You can give the copy of your tax, your title. They will search online. Bibigay yung tax identification number. Then pagdating dito ibalik mo sa window 5. Pagdating sa window 5, bibigyan ka ng assessment, no? Kung how much. So per document, they're charging 140 pesos. Baba ka sa taxpayers lounge sa ground floor, you pay, tapos balik ka dyan, ibalik mo yung resibo sa window 5, and you have to wait. So more or less, siguro save mga 15 to 20 minutes yung sequence ng title. So mamaya, next na natin, coverage will be take to get your assessment, no, for payment of land taxes here in the City of Manila.